Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about different profile in IT industry. Most of you are familiar of the developer, tester, support, but there are so many profile in the IT industry which you should know, and you should know the importance of each profile. Before starting, let me introduce myself. Hi guys, my name is Amita Singh and I'm a full stack developer working in Verizon. I have also worked in Cognizant. So let's get started with today's video. So basically what happened in India, we have two profession which is very famous profession. One is doctor and another is engineer. And we all are doing we all are going in a bhed chal. Either you have to be a doctor or you have to be an engineer. Means most famous profession if I'm talking about. Okay, fine. Same thing is happening in the industry. There are so many profile, but there is a bhed chal of what? I want to be a developer. First, I would like to tell you, first know the importance of each profile. Then you decide where you want to go. You should recognize yourself where you fit. If you are putting your feet into a different shoe size, then will you able to walk long way? Will you able to participate in the long run? Think about this. So better choose a perfect profile, choose whatever suits you. For that you should know what are the profile we have and what is the importance of all the profile in the industry. That is more important. So that's why today we are going to talk about the profile in IT industry, and we'll see what are the different profile and what is the importance of different profile in industry. Let's get started. Now first we have so many profile, like we have developer, we have tester, we have infra, we have cloud support, we have what else, UX, we have front-end developer, we have back-end developer, we have so many profile, right? We all get confused which should I go for. And you know what, sometime most of you guys have done like salary of software developer, salary of a tester, salary of a support person. Most of you guys agree with me that you haven't searched that. You all might have searched sometime salary of a software developer. Agree with me? Now first know what is the importance of each profile in the industry, what they do, and then find yourself and put your feet in the right shoes. Let's get started. So first let's talk about the software developer, which everybody wants to become. Though they are from CS, they are from non-CS, they are those who are from CS but struggling with code and all that coding stuff and all that. But everybody wants to be a software developer at the end of the day, right? Let's talk about their journey. So in software developer, basically we have front-end developer, we have back-end developer, we have database developer, we have all these developers. Now for front-end developer, their roles are to design the front end, what you can see on your browser. Everybody must be knowing by this time like what a front-end developer do. What are the languages front-end developer use? Like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, basically these three languages, and with the help of these three languages, we are using framework like Angular, React, and that's what they use as a front-end developer. What a back-end developer do? They do more of a coding, more of a business logic they implement, so their coding skills should be much better. If I talk about that, and they mostly code in Java, C, C++ in some companies, Python, like this way. These are the backend code we have, and so many other coding language we have in the backend. Database developer, you all know, we have Oracle database, we have MongoDB, we have MySQL, we have SQL Server. Database developer, guys, I'm not talking about what they do. At the end of the video, I'm going to share you a real fact or real truth of a software development field. So just listen to me for a few minutes regarding this the job description and profile description, because at the end of the video there is a disclaimer of everything. Now let's talk about the infra people or DevOps people. They mostly helped in deploying the product. Suppose whatever the software developer has done, they have developed some product and they are mostly help in deploying the product to production. What a tester do? Tester will test the whatever the code we have done, whatever the product, the features we have implemented, the tester is going to test that. That is the work of tester. Now, we have a UX design people. UX design people who design how the front end should look like, which required less coding, no coding skills, I guess, but the knowledge of tools. Now, so those who were asking me questions like, I'm not good in languages, I'm not good in coding. So don't worry guys, even if you are not good in coding, either in 1 or 2 years you will learn, or within 6 months, trust me, within 6 months you will learn. But the thing is, there are some profile which does not require much coding skills. Much coding skills means, a DevOps people use mostly scripting languages, same as the testing person, and we have UX design people who mostly who play around with tools to design the front end, which does not require coding skills. So yes, in the industry we have so many profiles, and on the basis of after your few years of experience or experience in the journey, you can switch in those profile. You need to put your efforts. But the thing is, the moral of making this video, my intention of making today's video is not to show you how the industry profile work, but to show you a mirror then what you should choose. Why? Because here in India, people think like you have to be an engineer. Nobody say I want to be a tester. I haven't seen anybody talking about like I want to be a software everybody is saying I want to be a software developer, I want to be a front-end developer. Nobody said like I want to be a tester, because maybe the person doesn't know what a tester importance is. Guys, all profile has their own importance. First, understand this. Don't think like a developer will be given more respect than a tester or a DevOps people or somebody from UX design people. A developer will be treated more good way. There is nothing like that. Everybody has their own journey. Everybody has their own importance. Without tester, a developer cannot push his code. Without developer, in production there will be no feature. Without DevOps team, we cannot put our product into the production. So basically, all roles are important, right? So there is no discrimination of roles in industry. You will not find it. Trust me, you will not. I don't think I have, in my experience, I haven't felt that a tester or developer or database developer, everybody is like, people is looking at them in a different way. Everybody has their own role, and that is more important. Now, second thing comes, who earn more? Now, the second question comes in your mind. Whoever earn more, I will become that. I will go into that field. Basically, most of you guys will agree with me. You are searching the salary of tester, developer, DevOps, and all that stuff, and you are making your decision, right? But is that a right way to do that? Think about it. Don't put your feet into the wrong shoes. Okay. Reason I will tell you why. Just take an example of Ram and Shyam. They both are beginners. They are just graduated. They are waiting for their DOG. For 1 year they had time. They prepared well in coding. They put their effort in learning coding skills. They developed some project, but both are struggling. Both are struggling with code. They are not at all able to do. Within 6 months, you can identify whether you will be able to do or not. If you are giving sufficient amount of time, if you are consistent with your work, within 6 months, you can easily know where you are interested in. So after 1 year, they got their date of joining. Ram and Shyam. Ram got a developer position. Shyam got a tester or DevOps position. Now, Ram is very happy that finally he got development project. And but the same side, because of the society or whatever the reason, or where I don't know from where they are learning, that Sham is not happy. He's saying, guy, like Ram, you were so lucky that you got the development project and I got testing project. Both journeys started. After an year, Ram, who has put in so many effort before date of joining in learning coding, he's still struggling after a year of experience in the industry in learning the code and putting himself, he's putting so much hard effort. Meanwhile, Sham, who was a tester, and within 6 months or 3 months, he learned so well and he is doing great job in testing field. Now, what Ram, after 3 or 4 years of experience, Ram is still a struggler. Just take an example. Ram is still struggling. 2 years of experience also, Ram is still struggling. 2 years of experience, Sham has become much better in his field, much better in testing. After 3 years, 6 years passes, and 6 years has passed, Ram is still struggling with the code because he's not at all feeling happy in coding the things. He is not feeling happy. He's not comfortable in coding. So he is struggling in that. The same side, Sham got an opportunity to become a team lead. Ram is still a developer or a senior developer. He got an opportunity to become a team lead. Now, after 6, 7, 8 years of experience, Sham got an opportunity to work on site because he is so much good in testing. Tester people go on site. We all know, right? Mostly tester. At the same time, Sham struggle is not ending. He did MBA or whatever the stuff, and he is putting himself into the managerial work. He is going into that way. What do you think? Whose journey was better? Who was enjoying his work? What do you think? Who enjoyed throughout the year? Ram or Sham? Both were in the project. Both were doing what they wanted. Means Sham never wanted to be a tester, but he somehow got into testing or somehow got into other than development. He was not at all wanted that because he thought like developer get more salary or developer get something, importance or whatever it was there in his mind. So he thought like that, and he is not struggling in the industry. He is surviving in a better way than Ram, right? So the moral of the story is, if you are not interested in something, if you are not interested in development, or if you are a great developer, if you have a good coding skills and you are not interested in testing or DevOps or cloud support, you are not interested in, then please switch your profile as soon as possible. Now, those who don't know what to do in the industry, those who are very new, like a non-CS person who doesn't know what to do in the industry, guys, let me tell you, you have 1 year. From now, this is January, you have 1 year. Maybe you'll get your date of joining after 6 months, after 8 months, and trust me, 6 months is more than enough to develop your skills and to find yourself what suits you. Every profile has their own importance. Don't just look on the salary. You should enjoy your work while you are in the industry. Survival is more important than salary. Okay, you should enjoy your journey. You should not struggle in your journey. So, in this meanwhile, while waiting for your DOG, while waiting for your call letter or whatever, just take your time and prepare yourself for the IT industry. You have to either you'll be in the front end or back end or the cloud or anything you will be. So research about all the things and find your interest, which suits you better. Just check out the testing tools also. Are you feeling interested in that? Create a website of your own. Do front end also, back end also, deploy your website also. Just put your efforts. Within 6 months, you can do. Within 6 months of waiting for DOG, you can do it very easily. And trust me, in that 6-month duration, you will find your field of interest. Now, luckily or unluckily, if you are not getting your field of interest in industry, then put your effort to switch your profile in the industry. Try to switch as soon as possible. Maybe after 1 year of experience, if you are not into a good profile, means you are such a great developer, but you have somehow got testing, then maybe after 1 year you should try for switching the profile. Either do certification, talk to your HR, talk to your manager. I want to be a developer. How can I proceed with that? Talk to them. Now, if nobody is helping you out, go and apply for the company who will provide you as a job or profile for software development. Or apply for job, do some certification in testing. If you are interested in testing, tell your manager, tell your HR that you are interested in testing. Research. So meanwhile, you need to research about these things. Then only you will get to know which profile suits you. And all profile has their own importance. All profile are equally important. So don't think there is a discrimination in industry, whether you are a tester, developer, whatever you are, you will be treated same. All are equally important. So research about that, think about what you want, and you should proceed with that. Hope this video helped you. And if this video was helpful for you, please press thumbs up. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button. And guys, भेड़ चाल में मत चलना. Find your field of interest. Find where you feel comfortable. Because journey आपको जीनी है. You should have a knowledge of all the profile. So, meanwhile, utilize your time in learning the things, learning new technology, and don't think anything is tough, any language is tough, any technology is tough. Because guys, whenever you are going into the new semester, after your previous semester, every subject is new, right? But within 6 months, somehow we grasp it, right? Somehow we cleared the test also. So the same way, even in industry, if you'll get something new, some new technology, then just don't take it as, oh my God, this is tough. Don't spread such rumor of tough and easy, because everybody's mind is different. For somebody it is easy, for somebody it is tough. But don't, listen to that person who is saying it's tough. Maybe he was tougher for him, but it will not be much tough for you guys. So don't compare your journey with other. Don't compare your mind with somebody else's mind. So better you decide by yourself what suits you better. Okay, hope I made this very clear. And thank you guys. Thank you once again for watching.